Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this tutorial, we will see how we can edit the acquired data in SAP Lumira. So once we acquire the data from a data source, the data comes under the prepare room of SAP Lumira. Here we have different options to manipulate that data, like we can do the filtering, we can change the type, we can change the measure to dimension, the dimension to measure. Similarly, we can create the custom calculations as per the requirement. So let's see in SAP Lumira tool how we can do that. So if I go here to my SAP Lumira tool, this is the data set I have acquired from my Excel file. So now let's see if I want to filter this data. So how I can do that? First of all, if I have this product family, I will go to the options here, and then here I have the option of filter. I will click on filter and it will open up the filter panel here. It is showing me all the different values of product family which we have. Now I have the operators here, which is in list, not in list, equal to, not equal to, contains, like and not like. So based on this, I can put in the filter value of the product family. So now if I click on apply, it will show me the data only for the product family cross fit. If I want to remove this filter, I can simply click on this cross and it will remove the filter from here. So now if I apply the filter here, I have two options. That is, I can either apply it to my entire data set or I can apply it to the current visualization. So this is applicable when I am doing it in the visualize room. After that, how I can apply the filters in the visualize room. Let's say if I go to my visualize room, here is my column chart where I am showing the list price retail USD by the product line. So what I want is that I want to put a filter on the product line. I will click on this add filters and I will go to the product line. Once I will go to the product line, it will show me all the values which are there. So let's say if I select all the values and I click on apply. So here it is asking again to what I want to apply this filter for. Do I want to apply it to the entire data set or I want to apply it to the current visualization? I will click apply. So I can see here that I only got those product lines which I have selected in my filter in the chart. All the others are filtered out. Similarly, if I want to remove this filter, I can remove it from here. Now, if I again go to my prepare room, we have the option of converting any measure into a dimension and any dimension into a measure. Sometimes what happens is my data set is not able to recognize the type of my column which is coming from the data source. In that case, we can easily convert it to the measure and we can easily convert the measure to a dimension. Let's say if I want to convert this product ID to a measure, I will go here and I will click on create a measure. What will happen is that now I can see the product ID as a measure value in my measure as well. So this is how I can filter out the data, I can create the custom calculations, I can convert the types of the data which is acquired from my data set in SAP Lumira. So in this tutorial we have seen how we can do the manipulation of acquired data in SAP Lumira. Thank you.